All right, everybody, I'm Matthew Young, and this is Mechman Studios. Today, we got our good friend PJ Burchett coming in. Really cool old truck. It's been sitting since the 80s. It's got a 327 Chevrolet, some dirt track motor with some history to it. We're gonna put it in the Mechman new running engine stand so we can get all the leaks and tuning and everything sorted out of it before it goes into its next home. And we're waiting on PJ to roll in, and he should be in here any time now. We're gonna start going at it, taking this thing apart. Oh, it's PJ right here. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, 57 Cameo.
Hey, Matt, how you doing, man?
Hey, man, good to see you, brother.
Man, wide open.
Beautiful.
I know, check this out. This is a 1957 Cameo truck. I found this thing in a barn when it was getting ready to fall down, but what I really want out of this thing is the motor. It's a hot rod motor. I want to put it in my other hot rod I got. But the thing is, I want to get it running. The word on the street that you have a new product that's pretty damn awesome. Everybody's talking about this thing.
Nice.
And I want to take that motor out and put it in your new engine starting stand. Is that possible?
Absolutely. Well, I'll get it all set up for you, man. We'll get it all going before it goes in.
Wow, that is killer. I'm pretty excited. Let's do this.
Let's do it.
All right, Matt, check this out. Vintage hot rod motor, 327, 3 deuces. I mean, this is vintage right here. But what I want to do, I think, this thing been sitting since the 80s. Who knows? We might get this thing out. I won't put it in your stand and put a little gas in it. It might fire right up. We don't know that, but let's try it. I'm ready to do this.
Let's give it a shot.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah. You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night.
All right, man, we got this thing out now. There's the motor in all its glory.
A little crusty, but we got it out.
Yeah. So, what I've heard on the streets from a lot of car builders that came by here, but you won't show this product yet.
Well, it wasn't ready for market yet.
So I am so excited to see this.
Sure.
'Cause I'm ready to put this motor in.
Yeah, well, let's go take a look at this running engine.
All right.
Yeah.
Wow. That is massive.
It's pretty beefy, yeah.
Well, tell me about this thing.
We just wanted one of these for our own toys, pretty much, a running engine stand, and the ones that we looked at were all flimsy and weak. So we've designed this to be robust, a commercial quality running engine stand that you can keep and use over and over.
Matt, this thing is incredible. I mean, I'm looking at 1/4-inch plate steel, even some 1/2-inch over here. Everything's laser cut.
Yep, it's all made in the U.S. U.S. steel, CNC bent, and it all bolts together. No welding required.
I've never seen a stand like this before.
It's definitely built to last a lifetime, for sure.
This is amazing. So at this point, I am really psyched to get this motor in here and just see, number one, see if it'll even turn over. Number two, who knows, it might start. I just don't know about it.
It could. I've done worse. So I'm tickled to death. If we can get this thing to crank up today, I'll be pumped.
All right, well, I'm getting my stuff. You get your stuff. Let's meet back here.
Let's do it.
All right.
See you.
All right, Matt, we got the truck out of the way. Now I am really excited about putting this motor in here.
Yeah, me too.
What's your thoughts on this?
Well, it should be a snap. I already got the mid plate bolted on the back. We got the rear transmission mount set in there loosely. Motor mounts set up loosely. So all we got to do is wiggle it in there, bolt it up, and start making it run.
Well, I want to see if it's turned over.
Of
I
course.
just don't know nothing about this.
Oh, we're going to go slow.
But I think maybe for a sound of mind, I want to get it in, just see. But I for sure want to take it over Strip Technologies, have it dry ice blasted, and then take it over to the B-Rider Customs and start getting this thing kind of broke down and look at it and make sure before we just go wide open.
Of course.
Because the motor's been sitting at least 30, 40 years.
Yeah, it
Who
looks like it.
knows?
Yeah.
So Tell you what, once you get on the forklift, let's throw this thing in.
Let's do it. Mine was lined up over here. Oh, I'm doing the transmission out first.
All right, man. Wow, this is incredible. It just sit right in there, no problem.
We designed it that way. It's a brilliant tool, really.
Yeah, but I'm a little bummed out what we've been doing behind the scenes. The motor's locked up.
We gave it hell. We did everything we could,
Yeah.
but I think this one's going to have to come apart to run.
Yeah, at this point, I'm going to run it to Strip Tech, have it dry ice blasted, and then take it to the machine shop, let them do their magic, then go to Big Rod Custom, put it together, and I'm going to bring it back and get you to help me kind of dial it in if it's okay.
Yeah, absolutely. We'll
All
do
right.
the same exact thing. We'll get it all pretty, tuned, dialed in, just drop right in your
All right.
final resting place when it's ready.
Sounds great.
Thanks
Thank you
again
so
for all
much.
the time, and I'm happy to help on the next one.
Well, I appreciate it.
This is Matthew Young, PJ from B-Rotter Custom. This is Mechman Studios. Please subscribe, like our channel, put any questions in the comments. We're happy to answer. And stay tuned. We're going to do a lot more tech, R&D, some other engines in a similar setup. And next time, hopefully, we'll be making some engine sounds. Thanks for watching.